Yes, I am S.C. Pandey. Today I will tell you about the biology subject and chapter respiration. Main topic is electron transport system. In abbreviation, it is called ETS. Electron transport system means the electron which generally produces during the hydrogen when changes into the H positive means proton, protonium ion. Then electron also produces in the production of oxygen gas. As electron which transfer by the help of different types of cytochrome. Cytochrome is iron containing pigment which generally takes part in the electron transport system. As the pigment which contain the different types of metal like hemoglobin which generally contain the a form of pigment, iron contain cytochrome do the same work, but the transport of electron in the cytochrome there are many type of cytochrome like cytochrome B, cytochrome C1, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, and in the last cytochrome A transfer electron to cytochrome A3. Up to the cytochrome A3, energy which require transfer of electron is not sufficient, so electron combine with the hydrogen ion and oxygen and produces water. During the transport of such hydrogen ion and electron, ATP synthesis take place, means phosphorylation take place. But this phosphorylation process which occur in the oxysome which attach on the inner membrane of mitochondria. So it is called oxidative phosphorylation. Electron transport system also called oxidative phosphorylation because the such process occur in the mitochondria. Electron transport system which generally start as the NADH H positive which changes into the NAD positive. So this hydrogen now used by the such hydrogen which remove used by the FAD which changes in the form of FADH2, and this hydrogen now transfer to the another hydrogen acceptor called as CoQ which changes into CoQH2 which later on changes in the form of this 2H positive reaches in matrix and electron transfer start to the as 2 electron transfer take place in which this 2 electron when generally combined with the 2Fe3 positive, then it changes in the form of 2Fe2 positive. 2Fe3 positive, which is in the form of oxidized form. Now 2Fe2 positive as the reduced form. Here 2Fe3 positive as oxidized form changes in the 2Fe2 positive reduced form, then this electron transfer continue and the change occur where 2Fe3 positive again changes into 2Fe2 positive in the reduced form, and here it is oxidized form. So the change occurs here as cytochrome B and cytochrome C1. Between these, the ADP, which combine with the inorganic phosphate and production of 1 ATP take place. 1 ATP also synthesized here in the first step when the ADP combined with the inorganic phosphate in the production of ATP. So next cytochrome which involved is known as cytochrome C, in which the electron transfer occurs where the 2Fe3 positive changes into 2Fe2 positive. Next electron transfer occurs to cytochrome A, where electron transfer occurs from 2Fe3 positive which changes into 2Fe2 positive by the addition of electron. So these are the different forms as the reduced form and oxidized form of the cytochrome continue. After cytochrome A, then electron transfer occur to the cytochrome A3, and this electron transfer now which combine with the 2Fe3 positive to 2Fe2 positive, which is found in the reduced form, and 2Fe3 positive is found in the oxidized form. Later on, the electron which removed from the 2 here from the cytochrome A3, generally this electron utilized in the synthesis of the water molecule as combining by the 2H positive, this 2 negative, both combine with half O2 and the synthesis of one water molecule take place. So cytochrome B to cytochrome A3, these are the different type of cytochrome which contain the iron metal in it. These cytochrome utilized in the transfer of electron and in the transfer from cytochrome A to cytochrome A3, once again one ATP synthesis take place from the ATP and inorganic phosphate. In this way, in the electron transport system, electron transport which start from the cytochrome B, and the electron transport path is cytochrome B to cytochrome C1 to cytochrome C to cytochrome A, then in the last it transfer to the cytochrome A3. This is the correct sequence of transfer of electron. as these electron transfers occur continue as two electron transfer occur from cytochrome B to cytochrome 3. This is the correct sequence of transfer of electron in the cytochrome. Correct sequence of transfer of electron in different cytochrome. Here in the cytochrome, electron transport occur one by one from the cytochrome B to cytochrome C1 to cytochrome C, then cytochrome A, ultimately in the cytochrome A3. आपको ये बताया गया कि साइटोक्रोम आयरन कंटेनिंग पिगमेंट है जो इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांसफर साइटोक्रोम ए तक करता है। प्रारंभ होता है साइटोक्रोम बी से और साइटोक्रोम बी से क्रमशः साइटोक्रोम C1, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, and in the last electron transfer occur up to the cytochrome A3. This electron transport system also called as oxidative phosphorylation. This is called as oxidative phosphorylation. Here the phosphorylation term given by the or नाम phosphorylation case synthesis of ATP adenosine triphosphate by the help of adenosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate take place as total of 3 ATP synthesized by the help of the 1 NADH2. Here 1 NADH H positive which generally oxidized into NAD positive. During this oxidation phosphorylation occur in which ADP combined with inorganic phosphate in the synthesis of ATP. Then this is called as oxidative phosphorylation. This is called as oxidative phosphorylation, which occur when the NADH H positive oxidized into NAD positive by removing 2 hydrogen ion, which received by the another hydrogen acceptor called flavoadenine dinucleotide. Flavoadenine dinucleotide which now reduced in the FADH2 by the help of hydrogen from the NADH2. During this period the ATP synthesis occur by the help of ADP and inorganic phosphate. When the FADH2 release hydrogen ion which received by the coenzyme Q, which is in earlier known as by the name ubiquinone. It is known as by the name ubiquinone. So ubiquinone, which generally name given for coenzyme Q, which reduced into coenzyme QH2. When the hydrogen ion released from coenzyme QH2 reaches to the matrix of mitochondria, although electron transport system which occur on the oxysome, so the electron transport system occur on the oxysome, and this oxysome F1 particle, oxysome F1 particle generally take part in the electron transport system. One very important point. And there are total of the sequence of transfer of electron from cytochrome B to cytochrome C1 to cytochrome C, then cytochrome A, and ultimately in the last cytochrome A3. This is called as correct sequence of transfer of electrons in the cytochrome. Here the ubiquinone name which is for the coenzyme Q, which reduced when takes this hydrogen. After this, the coenzyme QS2 which released 2 hydrogen ion in the matrix of mitochondria, and electron transport occur by the cytochrome pigment. The cytochrome is a type of pigment which contain iron. Then this iron, where the change of the different types of iron like ferric ion changes into the ferrous ion when electron added. 2 electron added, then the total of 2 electron combined with 2Fi3 positive, then formation of 2Fi2 positive in the reduced form take place. When electrons released from 2Fi2 positive, then it reaches to the again 2Fi3 positive is combined with 2E negative, then the such electron which combined with the 2Fi3 positive now reduced for 2Fi2 positive formation take place, and this electron received by cytochrome C1. From cytochrome C1 electron transfer occur, then these electrons received by the cytochrome C, where these 2 electrons received by 2Fi3 positive which generally changes into 2Fi2 positive form. Later on, this cytochrome C which removes electron which received by the cytochrome A, then 2Fi3 positive again changes into 2Fi2 positive. When the 2Fi2 positive which generally release electron which received by 2Fi3 positive which changes into 2Fi2 positive, and when the 2 electrons which released from the cytochrome A3 2Fi2 positive combine with hydrogen ion and half O2, then it produces the H2O molecule. So the 1H2O means water molecule also synthesized during the electron transport system, and total of 3 ATP synthesized here. As the summary of electron transport system, first one is it occurs on the oxysome F1 particle. Oxysome generally present in the form of tennis racket. Oxysome generally present in the form of tennis racket on the inner membrane of mitochondrial projection, which is called as cristae. Now the cytochrome B, which transfer the electron to cytochrome C1, then electron transfer to the cytochrome C and cytochrome A, ultimately up to the cytochrome A3. In this way, the correct sequence of transfer of electron in the cytochrome in the ETS. in the ETS in oxysome. Oxysome, which part take part in the electron transport system? That is F1 particle. Means oxysome, which generally has three parts. Here, these three parts of oxysome are called as the head part, a bulb-like structure, then stalk part, and at the here base part, which generally base part present in the inner membrane. Inner membrane means it is present in the cristae. Cristae is inner membrane of mitochondria. So the base of oxysome present in the cristae of mitochondria, and here in the head part ADP, which combine with inorganic phosphate, then inorganic phosphate and ATP combine and produces the ATP. This is called as phosphorylation, but it occurs in the mitochondria, hence called oxidative phosphorylation, and this phosphorylation occurs in the F1 part of oxysome, and this is the F0 part of oxysome. So oxysome has three parts: one base, which is merged in the cristae of mitochondria, another is stalk, and next one lobe structure is called head, which contains F1 particle, in which the phosphorylation occurs when ATP combined with inorganic phosphate, then ATP synthesized. So this is the overall explanation of the oxidative phosphorylation. In this case, when the ATP produces as the hydrogen which it used in the NADH2 formation, then this is due to a type of the malate aspartate shuttle. Malate aspartate shuttle, if used in the as proton carrier, then the total of 38 ATP synthesized by one glucose molecule in the breakdown. In the total breaks of one glucose 6 carbon compound into carbon dioxide and water, then 38 ATP synthesized, and the FADH2, if used in the taking this hydrogen, then a different type of shuttle used, which is called as glycerol phosphate shuttle. And when the glycerol phosphate shuttle used, then this generally produces total of 36 ATP by 1 C6H12O6. Here differences occur in the total number of ATP produced by the one glucose, means 1 C6H12O6. If the FADH2 synthesized by the oxidation of FAD, then total of 36 ATP produces. And if the synthesis of NADH2 by the help of this hydrogen, then malate aspartate shuttle used, and total of 30 ATP synthesized by the one molecule of glucose. Here the one NADH positive now oxidized as NADH plus H positive. In this way, in the 2-pyruvic acid synthesized by the help of 1 glucose, where 2 NAD positive changes into 2 NADH 2H positive, and 2-pyruvic acid when 2 Krebs cycle completed after the oxidative decarboxylation. So 6 places hydrogen ion produces, 2H positive produces at 6 places. So total of 12 H positive produces by the such 1 glucose, which generally produces 2 pyruvic acid. So total of 24 H positive required. It means the total of 24 H positive, where the in the breakdown of 1 molecule of glucose in the cellular respiration, total of 6 H2O produces. Means the 6 H2O produces, although use of the 24 H positive, because the glucose molecule synthesized as the use of 12 NADH 2H positive, means 24 H positive used, then 1 glucose molecule synthesized. But 1 glucose molecules after oxidation produces only 6 H2O. So this is the reason, as by the help of the reactions I can explain here the numbers of hydrogen ion produces at 6 places. In the case of glucose, when breakdown one by one, in the case of glycolysis and Krebs cycle. As in the glycolysis case, here in the glycolysis case, generally the one place as 1,3-diphosphoglyceraldehyde as di-PGAL, which changes into 1,3-diphosphogyceric acid, means PGA. So it is 3 carbon compound, but it is 2 moles, and it is also 3 carbon compound, and it is also 2 moles. So the total of the change occur here, NAD positive, which changes into as the total as NADH positive produces. Now the another reaction, it is first reaction in the glycolysis case, and other reaction take place in the oxidative decarboxylation. In the oxidative decarboxylation, where the 2-pyruvic acid now synthesize 2-acetyl coenzyme A. Here it is the 2 molecules, then it is 2 molecules. And in the second reaction, when the pyruvic acid which 3 carbon compound changes into the acetyl coenzyme A, as it is 2 carbon compound, then again it is 2 moles. So the 2 moles pyruvic acid, which changes 2 NAD positive into 2 NADH positive, means 2H positive, like this. here. So third reaction which occur in the Krebs cycle as the Krebs cycle is the third step where isocytric acid which is 6 carbon compound changes into oxalosuccinic acid 6 carbon compound. At that time also the here 2NAD positive produces 2NADH 2H produces because two time Krebs cycle occur, so two molecule of isocytric acid. And here fourth reaction occur when the oxalo alpha ketoglutarate acid as 5 carbon compound changes into the succinic coenzyme A as 4 carbon compound. At that time also change of 2NAD positive into 2NADH 2H positive. And fifth case occur when the succinic the succinic acid changes into the fumaric acid. Succinic acid changes into the fumaric acid 4 carbon compound. Again 2FAD changes into 2FADH2. And sixth case when the malic acid which is 4 carbon compound synthesized oxaloacetic acid as 4 carbon compound, then again the change of 2NAD positive into 2NADH 2H positive. In this way, in the 6 reactions, total of 24 H positive used up in the formation of 12 as H2O, 12 H2O, in which the 12 H2O which generally used as the 12 H2O, here the total of 12 H2O in which the 6 H2O produces as the 6 H2O produces in the Krebs cycle, and 6 H2O produces in lipolysis. Here plus 2 H2O produced directly in the presence of enolase. So total of 14 H2O produced and 6 H2O used. 6 H2O used up, 14 H2O produced. So 14 H2O minus 8 H2O, 14 H2O here minus 8H2O equal 6H2O produces by 1 glucose oxidation. As the complete electron transport system has clear. In this way, today we study about the electron transport system, which is called as oxidative phosphorylation, and the 6-step hydrogen ion production take place. Each step 2s positive produces, and the 2 molecules case occurs, so total of 24s positive, and here 4s positive at each step and 6 step occur, so 24s used in the formation of 12H2O, and 2H2O produces directly in the presence of enolase enzyme in glycolysis. So total of 14H2O produces, in which the 8H2O used up, then 14H2O minus 8H2O equals 6H2O produces by 1 glucose during the oxidation. And you should like and subscribe my channels, Super Classes.